Hi guys, Jeff at Slayton's Racing. This video is about a new product we have called the Air Filter Disc by Moto Minded. Moto Minded is a little company here in Colorado Springs, just down the street from us. And they come out with some innovative stuff, a lot of things like this, but also really nice LED light kits that we also handle. So this air filter disc is designed to protect the air filter cage on these new bikes from poking through the filter. So this works on the new style chassis bikes. So that would be the 16 KTM 250, 350, 450 XCF and SXF models, and the 125 SX, and then the 16 Huskies are the FC models and the TC 125, and then all the 17 Huskies 125 through 501 and the 17 KTMs 125 through 500. They all have the same style air filter and filter cage. So it's very quick to install. You just pop out the air filter, which is really easy on these bikes. Then you peel the cage back to where this is exposed. So here's the problem area right here, is this hump here. You know, it's kind of sharp. It's got these real thin edges to it, and over time that can push through the air filter, and of course that's going to happen at a most inopportune time, like in the middle of a race or a ride, and then it will allow dirt to start sucking through your motor. So this just gives a better surface area. Let's see here, it goes on by like, I can't see where the there we go. You just push it on. And now you've got a nice big surface area that's smooth and won't poke through your filter. These come in orange or black. If you have a Husky, you can use the black ones. It doesn't really matter which color because they're all hidden inside here, so the color should be a non-issue. Would be for me anyhow. And then you just put the filter cage back, or the filter back on the cage. Make sure you get these little tabs hooked in. This is just the stock filter and the stock filter cage, and then they go back in where you can read it, stick it back in, pop it in the top, pop it in the bottom, you're good to go. So it's a real simple product that's very effective and can save you a lot of money in engine damage and also ruin your rides at the same time. So that's about all there is to it. It's all for now.